Hi there, welcome to Social Guidance. In this video, I will show you how to earn from Instagram stories. So for this, let's open our Instagram app, and from here we have this story option on the top left corner. Click on your story. Okay, so now here just click the photo, or you can add it from your gallery. Now we have the stickers option. So from here you can add a clickable link, like you can add affiliate links here, like if I shop something from any app, so I will add the link here, and then when someone click on this app or shop from this link, so you will get paid. So one thing is this, the other one is you can add a brand story, or you can promote the brands, they will pay you, and in this way you can earn from Instagram stories. So this is it for today's video. I hope you like it. If you have any question, please comment down below and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.